Hi there. Anyways, John here from JD Mowing Repair. This is the tractor we were talking about over the phone. Anyways, it's a Husky YTH. Pretty heavy duty by looking at it. It's got an 18 horse Kawasaki engine right here, which is a more premium engine by far than the Briggs. It has electric clutch feature. It's got 605 hours, which isn't really that many hours yet for Kawasaki. I mean, we've had Briggs with 1,200 hours maintenance to have to battle. Anyways, overall pretty decent shape. Even the seat's good. But anyways, it's got like brand new blades because the guy that had it put blades on, but he put them on backwards. So they've never cut a blade of grass properly so far. Spindles are all good. We changed oil, filter, fuel filter also. Just pretty well overall serviced it top to bottom. Anyway, I'm going to give it a start now. Like a kit. Now we'll just go ahead. Turn around. Nice and static. And then we got
put the mower deck down a little lower. Okay. Might as well mow the whole lawn.
Hey.
Might as well mow the whole lawn.
And that is it. Thanks for the demo, because now I got my grass cut. So anyways, I'll get this sent off to you, and I guess you can decide from there if you feel that it's worth it or not. But anyways, John and JD's Mowing Repair, that's it for now. She'll be sending this video to you, and you can kind of go from there, and just let me know. Okay, thank you very much. Beauty, heavy duty. Heavy duty.